What's up, guys? So today we're talking about a trade that I did. Actually, I did this a couple weeks ago and I set it aside to do this video and I totally forgot about it. I literally just rediscovered this a few minutes ago, so I'm making this video just kind of showing these in case people haven't seen these knives before. So I honestly don't remember what I even traded for. I've done so many trades lately. But anyway, I was offered a couple of stainless classics. So first we have a Spyderco Police model. This one is one of the older models. The Spyderco Police is a knife I've had probably 10 times in my life. I absolutely love the knife. It's just one of those things where there's just so many awesome knives out there and I'm not carrying it. It's more of a collectible to me, even though it is an awesome user knife. The drawback of having all stainless steel, obviously it's hot in the summer, you know, it's cold in the winter. It's a little bit more slick, you know, it's not as much grip, even though, you know, unless your hands are wet, I don't think you'll have a problem with grip. But anyway, classic Spyderco knife. Big movie buff, if you don't know already, but the movie Training Day, I've always gravitated towards this knife because it's used by Denzel Washington, his character, the crooked cop. He pulls a Spyderco Police that's fully serrated out to threaten some thug that's in this alley. I'm sure if you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. Famous scene. But yeah, I mean, different knives, when I know them from movies, they always pop up in my head. It's kind of like with music. Sometimes if I hear a certain song, I'll automatically gravitate towards, you know, certain movie scenes where I know that song from, you know. So, yeah. Anyway, Spyderco Police, totally classic. Nice to have one back in the collection. And then next we have a Balisong here. This is a Gypsy Balisong. And if I zoom in on the tang here, all right, you can see this is an old Parker Cutlery Co. knife. All right, you can see the logo on the bottom there. All right, Gypsy. Very classic design. Again, I've had this one a couple times in my life as well. See, made in Japan. All right, just an older Balisong model. Yeah, I mean, I've probably had this exact knife at least twice that I recall. But again, over the years, you know, selling and trading Balisongs and all kinds of knives, I haven't seen it in a long time. They happen to be offered together by the same person, and I jumped on it. You know, two awesome knives. Even though I had them multiple times, I like them that much to, you know, to enjoy them again. But just want to make this video to show this stuff off because there's a lot of people who are new to the knife scene all the time. And you don't get a chance to see a lot of these older knives very often. So it's extra exciting, you know, when I can show older stuff. Obviously, I love showing all the new stuff that's available. If you like it, you can go out and buy it. The Balisong's a little bit harder to find if you go on the forums, you know, knifeforums.com, bladeforums.com. You might get lucky finding stuff like that. Even though they're not allowed on eBay, people get away with it. You know, they'll post them. It depends on how you title things. It depends on who sees it. So sometimes you'll see old Balisongs for sale on there. So let me know down below if you guys have had either of these knives and or if you currently EDC a Spyderco Police. You know, there's a bunch of different versions of it that's come out over the years, but it's totally a classic Spyderco design. Now, one cool thing about the Spyderco Police is the small Swedge here can actually be sharpened. Of course, it's not sharpened from factory, but if you did want to sharpen it, you can do so because by design, it's enclosed inside the handle. All right, so you're not going to cut yourself. There's very few Foley knife designs that have swedges like that that can be fully sharpened. All right, so just a little tidbit if you happen to have a Police and you want to do that. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.